day. Today I'll be showing you how to draw and paint this night scenery with oil pastels. So let's get on to it. So the materials you'll need is 3 markers, green, red and brown, and you'll need a ruler and an eraser. So now you need oil pastels. Here are the colors. You'll need black, cobalt blue, cyan blue, turquoise blue, violet, and flamingo pink. So those are the colors. And you need a pencil and a cotton bud. Then you need Tipp-Ex and a white acrylic. So now we're just going to move on with drawing it. First draw a curved vertical line, and then it should start going horizontally. So yeah. These are the branches of the tree, and you can use your imagination and you can draw them any shape, any length, and any size you want. So yeah. Also make the outlines a bit thick because we're going to go on with oil pastels later and they might get light. Drawing branches are our world, it's like drawing hair when we're drawing a realistic person. You can draw whatever you'd like. It's an artist's world. So now we're just drawing the swing. So just draw one long vertical line and another by your right. And now a horizontal line. That's the swing. Now we're just going to color it in with the black. Don't go too hard or too light. You just have to go like in between both to get the right color and texture. And this is also important for the color transition. Now we're just going to use the cobalt blue. To make a nice transition, just overlap the colors. You need to get a good gradient. Now we're just going to use the turquoise blue, and yeah. So yeah, overlap the colors and everything. This is the cyan blue. Now we're just going to use the violet. Now you really need to make a good transition because this is a very light color to a darker color. Now we're just going to use flamingo pink and fill up the rest. Later you can add some white patches to just make a better gradient. Just going to use some white. Now use a cotton bud to blend everything together. Blending with a cotton bud takes a long time, but the result is amazing. So overlapping colors makes it a better transition and a good gradient. And here's a tip when drawing with oil pastels. You just have to get the background right, and everything else will like look natural after that. Just blend everything together. It should be smooth like when drawing a straight line. Guys, you can also use a tissue if like, because blending with a small cotton bud, like, it takes a lot of time and it's very hard. You have to press hard. You can also use small circular movements to blend. Just blend the flamingo pink. Now we're just going to darken the outlines of the branches of the tree. They might have gone light because of the shading, the dark colors, and the gradient and everything. So press very hard, nice and hard. And if you have a very dark pencil, you might as well do it with that. Now we're just going to darken the swing. So now we're just going to take a brownish red marker and just color everything in. You might want to take a darker color because they might go light by where like the dark colors are, for example the black or the cobalt blue. After we're done with the outline, we're just coloring everything in. So now I'm just going to color the rest in. Yeah, now you take a circular object of the right size and then trace a circle, or you can even use a compass. Now we're just going to take a nice green color, a grass green color, and draw very nice thin strokes on like the ground, and that will be the grass. Make sure it's all uneven because natural grass is not like all flat and the same size. Don't go too thick with strands. Make very thin lines. After you're done with the grass, you might as well just fill in it with like a nice red marker. We're just going to draw flowers. You can use any marker or color of your choice. Just draw a bunch of flowers here and there. Now we will just draw the girl. So that's the face. And that's the body and everything. So she's sitting down on the swing and just swinging. And she's holding a flower. It's a very simple. So now we just darken it. You can also use a Koki or something, or a Sharpie. Just darken the swing's outline and everything. Now guys, we're just going to use the Tipp-Ex for the moon and the stars. If you don't have Tipp-Ex, you can use white acrylic paint. Just gonna color it in. If you feel like it's uneven or something, you can just fix it up if you want. Now just put some dots everywhere. Those will be the stars in the sky. If you're doing it with acrylic paint, just splatter drops of water everywhere. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this. This is the basic drawing. And yeah, if you haven't checked out my other videos, please check them out. We'll link it down in the description box below. I hope you have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye!